All right, so I'm really excited about this one. The OPPO K15 Pro, set to drop in April 2026. That 6.59 to 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate? Yes, please. Gaming and scrolling are going to be incredibly smooth. And with the MediaTek Dimensity 8500, it should be a real powerhouse for its class. Plus, 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage means I won't have to worry about running out of space or performance anytime soon.
All right, so you're looking at some serious specs here. This new phone, it's really something else. That 50 megapixel camera, it's going to capture everything with incredible detail. And the battery, 7,500 milliamp hours with 80-watt fast charging. You won't be tethered to an outlet, that's for sure. Plus, 5G support, of course, and running on Android 16 with ColorOS, it'll be super smooth.
All right, so I just got my hands on this new phone, and let me tell you, it's a beast. Seriously, the IP69 rating means I don't have to worry about a little rain or dust. And that in-display fingerprint sensor? Super slick. But the real game changer for me is the built-in cooling system. I can game for hours without it even breaking a sweat. For the price, around 40 to 50K BDT, it's an absolute steal.